Perang tarif antara Amerika Serikat dan sejumlah mitra dagangnya tak hanya menekan bursa saham di Wall Street, tapi juga menekan pemilik usaha mikro, kecil, dan menengah. Yang dikhawatirkan bukan hanya besarnya tarif, tapi juga ketidakpastian karena bisa berubah dalam hitungan hari. Selengkapnya dilaporkan tim VOA dari Washington DC.
Dalam berbagai kesempatan, Presiden Donald Trump menekankan pentingnya tarif secara jangka panjang bagi Amerika Serikat, termasuk saat merespons pertanyaan wartawan di atas pesawat kepresidenan Air Force One.
I think the tariffs are going to be the greatest thing we've ever done as a country. It's going to make our country rich again. We have many companies, as you know, auto companies are opening up plants now. We've had 4 or 5 announced already, but many more are coming.
Tarif telah digulirkan ke Tiongkok, tapi untuk 2 mitra dagang terdekat, Kanada dan Meksiko, pemberlakuan tarif sering mengalami penundaan hingga pengecualian. Bagi pemilik sebuah kedai kopi di Colorado, tarik ulur ini sering membingungkan.
It's just such a knee-jerk reaction. I mean, one day the tariffs are on, one day the tariffs are off.
Solar Roast Coffee yang dimiliki Mike adalah sebuah UMKM yang perlu kepastian jauh-jauh hari.
We really need to know what the costs are going to be now, what the costs are going to be in 3 months' time.
Kebetulan banyak kopi yang dihidangkan di kafenya didatangkan dari Kanada dan Meksiko.
Primarily, our coffee is imported from Mexico and Central and South America. And decaffeinating coffee is a process called Swiss water, which is a process from Canada. So decaf coffee, when it's organic, is processed either by the Canadians with the Canadian process or by the Mexicans with the mountain water process. So it's a really big deal.
Mike akhirnya menaikkan harga meski menyerap sebagian kenaikan harga bahan baku agar pelanggan tetap datang. Sementara di New Jersey, tarik ulur soal tarif juga menekan sebuah pemilik toko UMKM yang menjual makanan laut.
A fair amount of our shrimp does come from Mexico, and we also bring in a whole lot of oysters from Canada. Those are products that will definitely affect us.
Tarif akhirnya juga memiliki efek berantai.
Because of the way seafood is interconnected and supply-demand, we are seeing products that aren't even from Canada, we're seeing prices raise. So domestic oysters from New England, those prices are already raising well over 10% as well.
Pembeli pun bersiap-siap membayar lebih mahal.
It's just going to make things more expensive, like for consumers and for small businesses. Like if the goal is to get more production in the United States, it's just like if you don't have like the infrastructure and things in place for that to happen immediately, like this is just going to hurt people.
Pemilik UMKM umumnya mencari kepastian. Indeks ketidakpastian kebijakan ekonomi melonjak 41% selama sebulan. Menurut seorang peneliti yang terlibat dari Stanford University, ini kadang diikuti dengan terjadinya resesi ekonomi. Tapi saat ini masih terlalu dini untuk memastikan bahwa resesi bakal terjadi. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.